East side, east side. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Yeah, baby. Please? Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here. Come here, baby. Come here, you want a treat? Come here. Come here, little baby. Come here. Come here. Come here. No, he's avoiding the creek. He's going back towards Old Wire now. He's got to jump on me. He's running hardcore northbound on Old Wire now, right in the middle of the road. I got him blocked in. I'm not sure my street, though. We got him. Hello, sir. We caught him. Animal control's got possession of him right now, just waiting on a trailer so we can haul him.
You don't worry, something?
We don't know. We're trying to figure it out. He'll be housed down at the Washington County Animal Shelter until we can find the rightful owner.
Okay, well, and then I saw him run down the street, and then the police cars come right after him.
It's not something you see every day. I know, he had me running. I was like, I don't know how long I can stay in chasing this feller. But they've got him lassoed up and everything. They're just waiting for a trailer to take him down to Washington County. If you get any word of the rightful owner, tell him that he'll be housed down at Washington County Animal Shelter, okay?
Well, I don't have any idea who he belongs to. Is he a miniature donkey or miniature horse?
I think it's a miniature horse. It might be a miniature donkey. I don't know.
It looks like a miniature horse.
It does to me, too.
He wasn't stopping for anybody. All the cars were pulling off of him, and he's right down the center line of the road.
Well, I gotta say, sir, it is my first time ever happened to chase a miniature horse, that's for sure.
Well, I'm glad you got it safe.
Yes, sir, we did. Thank you.